Un, dos, tres, y...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Nadia's Fast Lifestyle. Today I would like to talk about what our body goes through when we intermittent fast. There are several little cycles that we go through as we're fasting, and today that's going to be my subject. So here it goes. So the 0 to 2 hours after breaking your fast, your blood sugar will rise. 2 to 5 hours after you eat, your blood sugar will fall. After around 5 to 8 hours, and this is just sort of roundabout numbers. Everybody's different. We all eat different foods, so this is just a roundabout. But it's, I mean, we're all pretty much built the same way. But like I said, it all depends on what you ate before and all of that. So after 5 to 8 hours, your blood sugar returns to normal. You might get a little bit hungry at this stage. What I do is I drink a mineral water, and that usually helps me, but it's not real hunger. It's actually your body saying, hey, you haven't eaten in a while. It's kind of like a clock hunger, but it's not a real hunger. After around 8 to 10 hours, you switch into fasting mode. That's when you really switch into fasting mode. And about 10 to 12 hours, you might get a little bit irritated. I'm usually asleep by this time, so I'm lucky that I eat lunch, because by this time I'm asleep. So if I'm hungry, I don't even know it. I've never woken up starving, so I'm asleep during this. But this is when your body's really cheating your body into using fat for energy. That's when the great stuff begins to happen. After 18 to 24 hours is when the fat burning really goes into mega mode. The longer you fast, the deeper you go into ketosis. That's usually for me first thing in the morning. I've already been fasting for about 18 hours, and I usually go about 20 hours to 23 hours during my morning, and that's when I'm really that's when I'm the most energized, I'm the most productive at work. That's where I'm at the peak of the day for me when it comes to energy, mental awareness, and all of that. Mega autophagy starts. Your body goes through autophagy whether you intermittent fast or not. Your body is always going through autophagy, but fasting really makes it go into mega mode. Fasting, a great sleep can help boost autophagy. Light exercise also helps boost autophagy, and drinking black coffee. So I try to do all of them to just kind of boost the autophagy at its highest peak, because autophagy is a wonderful thing. Now, I've never done anything close to 48 to 56 hours. After 48 to 56 hours, you get more growth hormone, which is something that athletes actually pay for in the black market when they can actually make it themselves by just fasting. But growth hormone helps increase your lean muscle mass, improve your cardiovascular health, which is pretty amazing. After 72 hours, immune cells regenerate, which is wonderful. It's basically your body killing bacteria and germs that are very unnecessary in your body, and your immune system becomes stronger and stronger. Now, I would not recommend anything more than 72 hours without really, well, you shouldn't really do anything new without consulting your doctor, but anything longer than a 72-hour fast, I would not recommend you doing without being watched by a physician during longer fasts, because things might go wrong after that. So you don't want to do anything more than a 72-hour fast without seeing a doctor. My preferred window is 20 to 23 hours of fasting, and I feel great doing this. On Fridays, I try to go at least 24. I've gone 28 hours. I went 28 hours last Friday and 26 hours this Friday. And I felt great, but you know, I do like to eat every day. So I would not me as a personal choice, I would not try alternate day fasting. I mean, I might try it just as an experiment, because what I'm doing is an experiment of one. So if one day I feel the inkling to do a longer fast and not eat for, which, I mean, when I go through the 24 to 28 hour fast, I'm not eating for a whole day, but it doesn't feel like it because I eat during I eat every day, even though it's been more than 24 hours, I eat during the waking day. So yeah. So yeah, that's basically some of the things that I wanted to talk about today. I also wanted to show you this week's weekly progress. Did I get to 40 pounds? Did I? We'll see. Alrighty, did I get to 40 pounds? Let's see. Yay, I did. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I am about 8.9 pounds away from 50, so I am so excited. All right, so I'm really hungry. I've been fasting for quite a while, so I'm gonna make me some lunch. Today I'm gonna make something super simple. It's like a veggie stir-fry noodles that I like to make. It's only veggies, pasta, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of garlic, and it's usually really yummy, so I can't mess that up. I don't like to handle raw meat, so when I cook for myself, it's usually vegetarian or vegan. I don't know. That's just what I do. Okay, so sorry, I don't know how to record myself on the stove. But do y'all like my little jumpsuit? I haven't worn it in a while. It's a lot looser and more comfortable. It is from H&M, I believe, just in case y'all are interested. I believe they still sell them. But yeah, I like it. It's a little baggy in the booty. Super baggy. Okay, so my noodles are, my pasta water is boiling. I'm just gonna add some spaghetti noodles. If you don't have spaghetti noodles, you could easily just use, if you have ramen. It would actually be really good. I need to try that one day. Just a little handful of noodles. I'm gonna throw in there. Okay, the veggies and the noodles are done. So now Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Or a lot of it. About 2 cloves of minced garlic. Or more. Let it get fragrant, but not overcooked. Can't let this overheat. Okay. So now I'm just gonna pour everything in here. It's already smelling amazing with all that garlic. A little bit of pepper. Pepper. Just a touch of salt. Maybe a little bit more olive oil, just a touch. Make them really nice and greasy. But it's good oil, right? And I'm not counting calories. I'm not counting portions. I did this so I wouldn't overdo it with the veggies, but they're at their perfect point right now. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of soy sauce, or a lot of it. It's going to give it so much flavor. Some crushed red chili peppers flakes would be amazing with this, but I don't have any at this point. And that's it, you guys. It's going to be so delicious. Now it's time to plate it up. You can add more soy sauce or less or more of anything that you want to taste on all the veggies. And most days I do try to follow the 1 plate rule, unless we go out to eat or whatever. Just 1 plate. That's what the Omad revolution taught us all. And now let's do a taste test. My dog wants a taste as well. Some broccoli in there. This dish never fails me. It's full of flavor. It's got veggies, oils, good healthy oils like olive oil. Sorry, my dog. Carbohydrates for energy. Can't go wrong. And to close my eating window off, I'm gonna finish this beautiful nectarine. And I'm gonna start editing this video. But I did not want to end this video without the card of the day. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna get this card. I am courageous and stand up for myself. Love it. I am courageous and stand up for yourself. You must always stand up for yourself if you feel something is unjust or don't like something about something. You need to stand up for yourself because nobody else will. Well guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions or suggestions on new videos, please let me know. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
1, 2, 3,